Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you a lens that I use, and it's this one's from Power Weld, but there's other ones. This is gold coated, right? Filter plate. This is a number 9. You can get 10, 11, whatever you need for your eyes. But I've been using this lens for 35, 40 years. It's really good. It's very clear, so you can see the puddle really nice. So it's just a little tip if you want to try it. I would definitely recommend trying it. So, but anyway, that's what I use. So for today's video, I got some plate here. I'm gonna put this on here. I'm gonna make a little tea. Whoa, fell over. But I'm gonna make a tea, and I'm just gonna put these two plates together. And then I'm going to use this little Tooliom TL 135. It's only 6 pounds. Look at this. It's a baby. Okay? And I've done a couple other videos, but some of the guys asked me, will it burn 1/8 really good? So this is 1/4 inch plate. And I'm going to crank this sucker up. So let's turn it on. It's a little bit noisy. So that's all it is, on and off. And I'm doing 220, as you can see here, 230 volts, whatever. It does run better on 230, okay? It has 110 too. But anyway, I'm going to get set up, and I got this thing maxed out. But 1/8 7018 should be like 125, 130. But what I'm going to do, I dropped this, but I'm going to put this on a vertical. Okay, we're going to weld vertical with it. So let me get set up, and we'll get going here. Now it's at 124. Seems kind of cold. I'm going to crank it up. Like I say, it's only 6 pounds. We'll see what it'll do. Definitely not that powerful. I'm gonna jack it up a bit. Okay, I've cranked it up. I've got it at 137, 138. That's basically maxed. That's all it'll do. So let's just try it. I got some 1/8 here, Hobart. Let's see what it does. It's definitely hot enough. I'm going to turn down a bit. So it burns 1/8 okay. And some of the guys are asking about it. So let's just give it another shot. It runs pretty good. Not too shabby. It ain't no Miller, but let's clean it up. We'll get a wire wheel on that. Okay guys, I'll just show you. That's what I welded. It's a bit of a tight angle. I kind of jammed it in here with this angle iron and just threw it in there, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, it welds not bad really for that. For 93 bucks I paid. A lot of guys are asking. I mean, it will weld 1/8 uphill, no problem. You got a little bit extra, so you could crank it. It's 1/4 inch plate. It'll work. Flat's fine. I've done 332 and all that. It's okay. It's good for a hobby welding, little welding machine, cheap. Starting out, it's the way to go. It ain't no Miller. It's an inverter, little inverter. Of course, made in China, right? They make them, and that's all there is on it. It's just one little setting, you know. You can go right down to 28. I believe, yeah, 28 amps. You can burn 1/16, whatever. But anyway, yeah, it turned out all right. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.